Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Ferrari 12 Cilindri. This casting is by Hotwheels Premium, and as you can see, it's new for 2026. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's a quick look at the Ferrari 12 Cilindri. Looks like a good mainline casting with some nice details on it. Let's deep dive into it and see what those details are. So if you look at the paint job, it looks really nice. I'd say for a mainline, sometimes they do a really nice job. I'm gonna start from the front now. So in the front, even though I'm not a huge fan of this design, I appreciate the details Hot Wheels has done. You also get the Ferrari badge, lamp. A lower bumper also has some nice details. You can see all the texture. Splitter looks good. You got both the mirrors, windshield wiper. There's a vent in the hood. Looks nice. On the driver's side, I think I've seen these wheels on other casting too. I'm not sure if the actual car has something similar, but they don't look out of place here. And you also get this body kit, I would say running boards, not running boards, those are on the SUVs. But yeah, you get this black finish here, Ferrari badge on the fender, flush door handle, which I am sure it comes with. The top blacked out part is plastic, it's not metal. This part though, which goes on like with a very different design, is metal. Coming to the back, the lower bumper, finished in red and black, is plastic. It's not metal, but there are some good details there. You can see the quad exhaust, the vent grill. Looks like there's a small spoiler, finished in black. And the tail lamp is clear. So it might be the same on the actual car with the modern LEDs and everything. You can also see a glass. I think it's like a notchback or liftback design. It's a front engine car, if I'm not wrong. Now, on the passenger side, looks almost identical. And this is how it looks from the top. So you can see there's a small sunroof. Interior is finished in red. I think it's visible here. This is how the base looks. Not a lot of details, just some details. So overall, I think it's a nice looking mainline casting. It has some good details on it, and even if you're not a huge fan of Ferrari, which I doubt it, which is a very rare case, you'll still like this casting. For a mainline, it has got good details, and I think will be a good addition to any collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.